We're going to be talking about absolute value equations and inequalities today. Whenever you're dealing with any kind of absolute value, you're always going to come up with two possible answers. In order to get those two answers, I got to rewrite my problem twice. So let's see what that means. When I rewrite it, the first time, I'm going to rewrite the exact same thing without the absolute value brackets. I'm going to just take them away. Don't need them. The second time that I rewrite it, almost the same thing. The only difference is I'm adding a negative to my answer. That gives us our chance to come up with two possible answers. All right, let's solve these like you would any other equation. We want to isolate the variable. Let's start doing our inverse operations. Minus 6, divide by 3. Okay, x equals 2. There's 1. Second one, subtract 6 from both sides. Divide by that 3. All right, we have two answers here. X equals 2, x equals negative 6. Well, we were told that we got to solve it, we got to graph it. Well, let's graph. We know 0's in the middle, negative 6 is somewhere back there, 2's up front. We have an equal sign. 2 is the only answer. That's a closed-in circle. We have a negative 6. There's an equal sign. That's the only possible answer. Closed circle. Fill it in. Done. Things get a little more different when we're dealing with inequalities here. So I still want to set up the problem the same way. I'm going to rewrite it twice because we need two answers. First time, keep it the same. Second time, I'm going to rewrite, but this time we're going to have that negative 5, so same process, but there's one other change. This inequality has to flip for the second problem. So two little changes going on here. Now, let's simplify this the same way we would do any other problem. Add 3 to both sides. Divide by 2. We're left with x is greater than or equal to 4. The right side, or the right problem. Inverse operations to start, add 3. Divide. Okay. Can we graph this now? 0, negative 1, we got 4. Let's start with this negative 1. Open or close circle, well, there's an equal sign. We know it's going to be closed. X is less than negative 1. X is smaller. Where do your smaller numbers exist? Off to the left. X is greater than or equal to 4. There's an equal sign, so we know it's got to be solid. X is greater. X is larger. What is bigger than 4? 5, 6, 7, and 8. Everything off to the right. Ladies and gentlemen, we just solved and graphed absolute value equations and inequalities.